are.
Yeah, and there's fireworks all right here. Jeez.
Ow, Shannon hurts. Stop. Cry.
You almost called me cold.
Yeah, Shane, stop. It hurts.
It doesn't hurt.
Yes, it does.
All right. Hey, I'm taping this. I'm gonna have you guys fighting on tape.
Stop. That's what they do.
There's Brooke with my giant sparkler. Using my giant sparkler that I saved.
You realize you're gonna cry. What the hell is this?
Somebody thought they were gonna outdo us now.
That was it?
Who's that?
That's
No, it's not us.
Bobby. Somebody else sitting on. That was Bobby.
Yeah, they're gonna outdo us now.
Sitting on fireworks.
Yeah.
I
I don't know.
What did it sound like? I heard it.
It sounded like it was far away that way.
No, I didn't sound like it was that far away.
I just heard it go up.
Listen.
Sounds like maybe
Sounds like it's over that way.
Shankster. Maybe.
I still got the stuff that I bought.
What are you doing, Shane?
last year. The big stuff.
You can hear it go up. Yeah.
They don't work.
Hey, come here. How you doing?
They seriously hurt. Where's little rocks down there?
It's the sand that's in a little rock, tiny rock thingies.
Y'all just making a mess of Johnny. That's what y'all doing.
I just did this. I leak closed this today.
All y'all doing.
What is Shane?
I have no idea what Shane's doing, but I hope it doesn't go up there to the porch to y'all.
What was that?
Something's spinning around. Now it stopped on the grass.
That's no good on these small things.
What is it?
Those little sunrise things that spin. Those sun dancing things. Yeah. Little sun spots.
Look at these. I still
It's a unicorn.
Here goes the unicorn. It's my unicorn.
There's one I threw over there. Still in too.
Don't step on it.
That was my toe! Someone's burning me. I don't want to step on it.
I mean, that goes at least, that's like 8 feet right there. Or 7.5 feet.
I sold a lot of unicorns this year.
I always took cases of them.
They're only like $5.99.
Yeah, $5.99 for the unicorn.